All right. So I received confirmation that my partner, search party, Damu, made it home safely. So we're just gonna call it a day and maybe continue another time. I'm home now. You can see my flags, the U.S. flag and Marine Corps. I actually had the FSM flag flying, but the wind here destroyed that flag. So I need to get quality materials before I can continue flying them up there. But we made it home safely. Nothing happened to us in the middle of this scorching desert here in Pinon Hills. So stay tuned for more. Thanks.